Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing a proof video on our rental package. Our CPN apartment rental package has been instrumental in the past 3 years in helping many people rent apartments. A lot of people out there that have had eviction issues, bad credit, even criminal backgrounds, and this particular product has been very helpful getting a lot of people into housing. We've had several people that have been in Airbnbs, that have been in hotels, homeless, and they've used these products to get a place to live in. So we're very proud of the fact that this apartment package has helped a lot of people. This package here, the score comes in at about 700. What it is a CPN tri-merge with a trade line. Trade line is about a year old. Let's take a look at it. So go here, total accounts. View all accounts. Capital One. Here it is, a year old, $300 limit. It is a authorized user. Perfect pay history, of course. 1 year, 4 months. So it gives a score of about 700, as you saw previously, which is good to qualify for most apartments and houses. Again, this is very instrumental. We have 10 of these trade lines that post on these CPNs every month, helping people every month get a place to live in. It also can be used as a starter foundation to build the profile. You can add more trade lines to it later to get qualified for all kinds of credit, maybe credit cards, automobiles, things of that nature. But the basic package here is for apartments. Any questions, call us. Number is 202-213-2218. Our website for more information is cpn70.com. That's cpn70.com. This package here is $550. But you do get the CPN tri-merge. You do get the trade line. We also set up your Experian or credit monitoring or Credit Karma credit monitoring for your package. You also get a 22-page manual showing how to build your CPN and use it properly. We also get phone support for 90 days. We also have novelty documents available upon request. So we kind of have it all here, one-stop shop. So subscribe to our channel for more updates. Hit the like button. Appreciate it for the algorithm. Our number here again is 202-213-2218 for more information or free consultation. We have other trade lines too, posting every week for other CPNs and Social Security numbers. Our list to subscribe, our bi-weekly list is tradelines.biz, tradelines.biz.